Well, hello everybody and welcome. It's Jenny. Yeah, come on in. We're going to have a look at the new Dollar General ad. And you want to know. And, well, if you're not one of our crazy friends and you just popped by, you're more than welcome. Come on in. We're going to hang out for a little while and talk about what's on sale. And you want to know. And we do this every day. I give you deals, steals, glitches, free stuff. Lots of awesome information, field trips. Yeah, you get all of that here. Not to mention crazy friends. Yeah, so come on in. Make sure you hit that red subscription button below and that notification bell. That way you won't miss any of it. All right, guys. It is Sunday and, well, work page is out. And so's the ad. So let's have a look. All right, we got that buy two, save three Lay's and Pepsi thing going on again. And 2 for $6 on the chips. Hope you guys was able to catch that $2.29 on those chips. Better deal. Oh, we got Dr. Pepper, guys. 2 for $13, $3 coupon. We got the Powerade, and this is a really good deal if you do the Powerade because we got coupons and earns, I think, for both of these. The $4 Arm & Hammer, $1.50, and there's a $1.75 coupon as well. And we got $9.95, another $3 digital coupon for Tide if you're a Tide user, or Bounce. 2 for $8 Brawny. That's a good deal on the Brawny, guys. And if you do Quilted Northern, $9, and you got a $2 off. And, oh, we got that's the same BOGO Airwick. New deals. We want new deals. I don't see any new deals. We need something new, guys. Let's see. 3 for $11 on the Dr. Pepper. 2 for $8 on the Gatorade. 3 for $5 on the Gatorade. And, of course, we got the Pepsi 18. The Pepsi 18 pack. Yeah, 18 pack. We got that $1 off. And we talked about the Nella wafers and the early activation. But in case you missed it, this is working with that Nabisco $2 coupon. It's glitching, and it's only going to pick up the original price until the end, guys. So go pick that up, and you can get 2 of those for $6.50 and make that banana pudding. All right, you can even get bananas in some stores. The mini muffins and the Hostess is $3.50. What we got here, $2 off a regular Reese's. Boy, I want something new. We've got 2 for $6 Hefty. Well, here's a little something new. We got some new product. We got Oscar Mayer and a good price on the Oscar Mayer. Matter of fact, the shaved turkey and the ham is on sale for $2.75. It was in my store, at least last night. The yellow ticket sales, not the orange, but the yellow tickets where they mark stuff down. That might be a regional thing, but check. Because I picked up some turkey breasts for $2.75. That's a really good deal. And of course, you got Oscar Mayer bologna and wieners. I mean, you could do a whole scenario in Oscar Mayer right here and keep your kids happy and still save $5 on Saturday. Jif peanut butter 2 for $8. That's a good deal. Your Velveeta oh no, that's just the cheese. The Velveeta cheese 2 for $6, $3 a pack. That's a good deal. The veggies on sale for $2.50. I seen that last night when they were putting up the tags. That is a good deal on the veggies. And then we've got the $1 Clover Valley pasta or rice. It's like the rice-a-roni deals, or more like the North Sides, I guess. For $1, guys. That's emergency food. And then we've got Eggo waffles, 2 for $5. That's a good deal. Coffee's a good deal. 3 for $7 on your extra protein shamrock shakes. And then we got $6.50 on the Folgers and Dunkin' Donuts K-Cups. These are really like $9, so those are pretty good deals too. Now, let's get into our regular stuff. We've got a pretty good deal going on if you have not already used your Clean Freak coupon, okay? Because it's attaching to the Mr. Clean. Yeah. So you can get Mr. Clean. You don't have to get the Clean Freak. Alrighty. 41 full ounce. It's the big one. And then if you get Gain Scent, you can pick up the $12.95 Gain Softener and get another $3 off. And maybe some Gain detergent or a Swiffer. We got enough to do to make a decent Gain deal. And then we got our instant savings when you spend $20 on True Living bath tissue or paper towel products. It's a shame it don't include the paper plates and stuff like that. But we got $1 off digital on the paper towels, so that's a start. We've got a $4 regular price on the Unstoppables, the Elementals, and the Heavy Duty Air Spray. Got a $2.25 new coupon off on that, making that $1.75. This is a good deal. I like the Elementals. And if you need a new Swiffer Wet, we've got one for $29 with a $4 off coupon. And of course on Saturday, that's a scenario all in itself. It's going to give you $9 off of that, making that $20 out of pocket. So, yeah, pretty decent deal there. Now, let's see what we got going on down here. We have an instant savings, a couple of them. $2.50 when you buy 5 cans of Pedigree dog food. Now, that's a decent instant savings, a really good one. Okay, and then we got an instant savings when you buy 2 Temptations, the $2.75 ones. And Fresh Step, $11.95, and you've got a coupon for Fresh Step that I think is $2. I think. And that's a 14-pound thing of litter. And then we got some Iams for $9.50. It's regularly $10. So 50-cent savings, guys. Oh, we got some spring stuff going on. And, of course, we got spring stuff going on. Allergy medications, guys. Look at all these allergy medications. Really good deals on the allergy medications. Just check your coupons and clip what you use because there's so many. I mean, the Zyrtec itself is 30 count. It's $21. You've got a $5 off, I do believe. But that's almost a scenario by itself. $25. Oh, that would be nice. 25-cent instant savings on some Axe and Dove. A $4 off when you buy 2 Dove's Men or regular Dove, including the soaps. That might be a good one. 5 off of 3 Colgate. And more diapers. We'll have to do another diaper scenario. And the more Nabisco, 2 for $7, but these are regular sizes. So they're not on sale. So I don't think the coupon's not going to glitch for those. We got some Charmin and Bounty, got dollars off on that. And it's working on the $5.50 ones. And then we've got the $15.95 Gain with the $4 coupon coming off of that. Like I said, we can make some pretty decent Gain deals. And if you want to make it really, really simple, you just go in and pick up the giant Gain bottle of detergent, the giant Gain bottle of softener, and some Febreze. And that's a really, really simple gain deal, guys. I mean, so simple. Matter of fact, I'm going to write it down for you right here. So just in case you did not pick up your gain yesterday. So blessings, guys. I'll talk to you again real soon with your daily deal coming up. I don't think we have a whole lot to work with, so maybe by tomorrow they'll give us a lot more. Blessings, blessings. Please be safe. If I don't see you before the eclipse, please don't forget to gas your car up, get your water, okay? Medicines, food, and hopefully if you followed me, you've got a food stash for at least 3 months. I don't care if it's just rice, beans, and oatmeal. Really. I love you bunches. And, well, I'll see you soon. Blessings.